In this video, I'm going to show you how to use this elite feature, video with audio. There's video with just the video. You can take that later, download it, and put in your own voice if you want, or another AI generator for the audio. It's up to you. But with video with audio, you create it all in-house. It's a beautiful thing, and there's more things you can do with it as an elite member. Check this out. So here we go. Select story with audio. Everything's already saved. I already have one story in here. Okay, just like that. It gives me the covers of my story. I can add a back cover if I want. I can replace the auto load covers, but I like this one, so I'm going to keep this. I'm going to go down here. I can check my video size. I want the standard YouTube long form and optional background. I can put in a background or have the AI do it for me. I'm going to have the AI do it for me. Go along with the theme of my book, Kawaii Forest. Like that. Actually, it's 1R. Forgive me. Click generate. And it's going to generate a background image for my video that we're about to create. It's going to create a flip book for me with the audio, with the read-along audio that I created in my last video. If you haven't seen those videos, check out, look below or above. I'll have a link to those videos somewhere. Okay, so I'm waiting for this to generate. So it's generated. I can select one. I'm going to select, wow, I love this one here. I'm going to select that. And now I want to create, I want to make sure my, everything is working well here. Make sure my cover's there. If I can add any story I want that I created with Ohanashi AI Gen, replace the auto no, YouTube no, everything looks good. Everything looks, I like these at their default. Click create audio video, and I will show you the end result. Be back in a little bit.
A few moments later.
Okay, so that took about 2 minutes to do. I'm going to download my video and I'm going to show you the end result. I'm not going to show you the whole thing. I'm sure it takes a while to watch the whole thing, but I'll show you just what it can do. It's really cool stuff. And yeah, give it a second. It's downloading onto my computer. And after that, we're going to play it.
Leo the lion sees a wide pond. Tiga the tiger stands by his side. "Let us go see our friends," said Leo with a big smile. The pond is blue and still under the sky. The sun makes warm light on the green grass. Tiga smiles and nods to Leo.
So yeah, that's how you create a video for your book that you can host on YouTube, Instagram, YouTube Shorts to get that traffic, to get that extra traffic, mind you, because there's already a ton of buyer traffic on Amazon KDP, but also to get that traffic. And if you keep on posting enough, you can start getting ad traffic. Sorry, ad royalties, not ad royalties, but you get paid via Google AdSense on your YouTube channel, okay? Which is really cool. So if you have any questions, let me know. Be good, take care, and have a great day.